This video will show the installation of a DoorWorks hinged door enclosure for the new 2024 EZGO RXV 2-passenger. Your kit will contain 2 side header bars, 2 front door posts, 2 rear door posts, 2 door frames, 2 door latches, 2 side panels, 2 door panels, 1 back panel, 2 side weather strips, 1 rear weather strip, 2 standout latches, as well as the hardware needed to attach it. Step 1. Install side header bars. Drill a hole through the first plastic stud hanging down from the roof and use one of the provided bolts to drop in from the roof. Remove the nut from the front bolt on the rear roof support. This is where the rear header tab will connect to your cart. Attach the header bar tabs. Insert the driver's side header into the rear portion of the passenger header bar and repeat the steps to attach header bar tabs. Step 2. Attach top of front and rear posts. Insert bolts into the pre-drilled holes on the header bar. The forks of the front post will face toward the front of cart. The forks of rear post will face toward the back of cart. Step 3. Attach bottom of rear post to cart. Attach bottom of the rear door posts using existing bolts. Step 4. Install front side panel. Remove the windshield. Start by wrapping the side panel around the front roof support and secure the hook and loop Velcro. Then wrap the side panel fabric around the front door post and attach the hook and loop Velcro. Make holes for mirror and windshield bolts. We recommend using a soldering iron to make the holes in the sleeve, which makes a clean hole and seals the fabric to keep it from fraying. Gently pull panels down tight to mark and align where to drill holes for the snap studs to be screwed into the fenders. Snap the cover to the snap studs to secure the cover. Step 5. Assemble door frame panels. Place the pocket on the top of the fabric over the top corners of the door frame and wrap the edge flaps around the door frame, sealing the Velcro. Wrap the crossbar cover around the crossbar and seal Velcro. Step 6. Attach door latch. Position the door latch over the pre-drilled hole in the door frame and secure using the nylon spacers, bolt, and nylock nut. Step 7. Attach side weather strips. Wrap side weather strips around header bar and seal Velcro. Step 8. Attach back panel. Position the back panel on the inside of the rear roof supports. Wrap the top edge over header and attach Velcro. Remove the door to wrap the side edge flaps around the rear door posts. Attach Velcro. Tuck the flap of back panel behind the sweater basket. Note, you may need to loosen sweater basket to tuck in the back panel and slide it under the back of the seat. The flap edges will Velcro together and sit underneath the cart seat. Inside the cart, center rear weather strip and Velcro along the top of the back panel. Step 9. Adjust door frame. Adjust the door frame and posts to ensure the top of the door frame is flush with the header. You also want to achieve around a 1/4 gap between the door posts and door frames when in the closed position. Step 10. Attach bottom of front door post to line and drill a hole through the rocker panel and attach the bottom of the front door post. Step 11. Install standout latch. Attach standout latch to the rear header tabs on each side. Now you're ready to enjoy your new DoorWorks hinged door enclosure.